Hello and welcome to this part in which we will learn about operator and operands of C. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this part. C is very rich in operators and over here all the operators are listed and their associativity, that is in an expression how they are evaluated. Let's go through the operators one by one. This is a grouping parenthesis operator which is used to override the precedence. Okay, note about precedence. The operators at the top have higher precedence than the bottom ones. And this is subscripting operator for subscripting array elements. Dot is member dereferencing operator for structures, plain structures. Arrow for pointer structures. These are postfix increment and decrement operator, prefix increment and decrement, unary plus and minus, not, it's a logic gate, not, tilde, and this is pointer dereferencing and address of operator, indirection, and address of size of operator to compute sizes of various data types, multiplication, division, modulus, addition, subtraction. This is left bit shift, this is right bit shift, less than, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. This is for equality test, is equal to, is equal to. This is for non-equality test. This is bitwise AND, bitwise XOR, bitwise OR, logical AND and logical OR. These are compound assignment operators. Plus is equal to, minus is equal to, star is equal to, slash. We'll see, and this is the comma operator. We'll see these operators. First I'll introduce you to basic operators, then you will see these operators at different places during this series. For example, these two you will see when we deal with structures. These two and these two you will see when we deal with the looping techniques. These two you will see in pointers, and this will be in arrays. These two you will be mostly seeing in control flow statements. These you will see in control flow statements as well as looping techniques, and some we will discuss over here. So I have declared some variables. All are integers in this one: a5, b7, sum 0 and product 0. So I say sum is equal to a minus b, and don't ask me why it is sum. It is a minus b. Okay, so the heck of it, let's make it plus. And then product is equal to a multiplied by b. So this will be, sum will be 5 and 7, 12, and product will be 35. Okay, we need to include stdr.h. Okay, then I have another integer k, which I have said k is equal to a plus b multiplication by 5 multiplied by 5. Now if you see, multiplication has higher priority than addition, so multiplication will happen first. So 7 will be multiplied by 5, 35, and then 5 will be added. This will become 40. If you want to override the precedence of star, then you can use parenthesis. So I put parenthesis over here. So this becomes 7 plus 5, 12, multiplied by 5, that is 60. Now this is interesting. A by b, so 5 by 7. This will become 0 because it is an integer division case. So it will give you only the quotient. So it will become 0. However, if you take the modulus operator, then it will give you the remainder, which will be 5. In case of floats, you cannot use percentage operator. That is not allowed by specification. So if you see F1, F2, the quotient and remainder both are included in the result. A plus is equal to is equivalent to this. Similarly, this one. Similarly, A slash is equal to A slash B, and so on. So let's run this program. So see, 12 and 35, 40 and 60, 0 and 5, and this is the float. So if you want, you can print the remaining ones over here. So let's print it. Let's run this. So see, it is 12, right? A plus B. Now it will become 84. Because A was 12 here, 12 into 7, 84. Now if you put here, it will become 12 again, because you are dividing by 12. And similarly, you can see the result for last one also, it will become 5. So first we added, multiplied, then divided, and then subtracted. So these are all basic operators. Rest of the operators we will see as we progress in our programming section. Thanks. Happy coding.